Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about how to attempt assertion and reason type of question. The cbse have given to conduct the exam objective type. So assertion and reason type of questions is a big deal for the students. They have no such doubt in the MCQs and the case study, but they generally stuck in the assertion and reason type of questions. So in this today's video we will discuss about how you can easily attempt these type of questions. We will practice some of the question as well as, and I will tell you the correct way to attempt these type of questions. So let's start. So the word assertion means the opening statement that can be taken from any postulate, law, or can be taken from any paragraph of the book. And the word reason means it is the explanation of that statement. By reading the assertion and reason, you have to choose the most correct answer out of 4 options. So let's see what are the 4 options. According to the first option, both assertion and reason are true. When you read assertion and reason individually, you will find out both are true individually. And the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So in that situation, you will choose option number A. Now in the option B, assertion and reason both are true, but you will find out the reason is not appropriated to the given statement. In that situation, reason is incorrect. So you will choose option number B. According to the third option, assertion is true but the reason is false. By reading them, we can find out the statement is correct or not. Assertion will be correct but the reason individually will be wrong. According to the fourth option, both assertion and reason they are inappropriate. They are wrong statement. So in that situation, you can choose option number 4. Now it's time to understand how to attempt any of the question. First of all, read the assertion and reason individually and understand whether they are correct or not. If you find that both are correct, now there are 2 options. If the reason is correct, so option number A is the final answer. If you find that the reason is wrong, so you can choose option number B. If you find that the assertion is correct but the reason is false, then the correct option is C. And by reading the question, if you find that both assertion and reason are false, so option number 4 is the correct answer. So let's try some of the question and think why we have chosen these options. Moving to the first question, the assertion, the open statement is camphor disappear without leaving any residue. We know that when we start heating camphor, it converted into directly gases. Now read the reason. Camphor undergoes sublimation. Yes, camphor undergoes sublimation. Sublimation means the substance which directly converts from solid to gaseous without converting into liquid. Camphor is a great example of sublimation. In this question, both assertion and reason are true. And the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the option A is the correct answer. Now read the second question. The intermolecular forces in the solid state are stronger than those in the liquid state. And we know that as compared to the liquid state, the particles of the solid are very near to each other. So the intermolecular forces are greater in them. Now read the reason. The space between the particles of matter is called as intermolecular space. This is the correct statement, but it is not a correct reason of the assertion. In this question, both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not relevant to the assertion. In this question, option number B is the correct answer. Now read the question number 3. The assertion is plasma membrane is the selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means the plasma membrane will allow only selective material to pass through in or out through the membrane. Now the reason is plasma membrane do not allow any material to pass through it. By reading them, we can confirm this statement is wrong. So option number C is the correct answer because in this question assertion is correct but the reason is false. Now in the fourth question the assertion is leucoplast perform photosynthesis. Leucoplast is the organelle that help in the storing of the material. In the assertion it is written it help in the photosynthesis, that means it is false. Now read the reason. Chloroplast help to store starch and fat. This is again contradictory. So by reading them we can confirm assertion and reason that both are false individually. So the option number D will be the correct answer. I hope you have wonderfully understood the concept of assertion and reason based question. How to attempt, what will be the criteria, how to choose the correct option. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and do like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.